Do you know where she is?
No, she's room. Is it hi?
Yeah.
Yes,
Who is it?
Dad.
Hi, John. How are you? Okay. Okay. All right. He wants to talk to you.
Hi, Dad. Where I work home. You went way home? Oh, what are you doing? Oh, yeah, it says, Mommy, smile?
Smile.
Smile. Okay. Let's go, Stacy.
You're calling Stacy?
Yeah, hi, Stacy. I know. This is Les. Oh,
You telling her about Les?
yeah.
Okay.
Cause I know. No. Oh, no.
You know it's Stacy's birthday.
Stacy's birthday?
Yeah, you gonna sing happy birthday to her?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Stacy. Happy birthday to you.
Oh, that was so nice.
Yeah, I know. I know. Oh no, when it's saying that. Okay, and coming back. Okay?
She'll call you back?
Yeah.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
Okay, Stacy, I call you back and say my.
That was really nice of you.
Yeah, you're so cute.
You're so cute.
Yeah, you so what? Cause you so. I call Mia.
Oh, you're gonna call Mia now?
Yeah.
Okay.